The moment you see the next-generation Toyota 4Runner concept hinted for the 2026 model year, the first thing that pulls you in is the promise of a stronger, smarter engine and how this SUV is expected to feel when you drive it. The new 4Runner is likely moving toward a modern turbocharged setup, possibly producing somewhere between 280 and 320 horsepower, and that power is expected to feel very different from before. Instead of just raw force, the engine quality is all about usable torque, smooth delivery, and long-term durability. Acceleration should feel confident and controlled, with strong low-end pull for off-road situations and easy highway cruising without strain. The engine is expected to be quieter and more refined, but still tough, giving drivers that feeling that this SUV is built to work hard and last long. This balance of power, control, and reliability is exactly what grabs attention and makes people want to keep watching. From the outside, the 2026 Toyota 4Runner concept looks bold, rugged, and more modern while clearly respecting its legendary roots. The front end is expected to feature a wide and upright grille that gives the SUV a powerful stance. The design feels squared off and muscular, sending a clear message that this is not just a city vehicle. The hood appears tall and strong, improving visibility while adding to the aggressive look. Along the sides, the body stays boxy and upright, which is a signature 4Runner trait and also helps maximize interior space. The rear design looks clean and functional, with a wide tailgate that feels practical for loading gear. Overall, the exterior design feels purpose-built for adventure, not just style. Color options for the new 4Runner are expected to reflect its outdoor and off-road character. Traditional colors like white, black, silver, and gray will likely be available for buyers who prefer a classic look. More adventurous colors such as dark green, sand or desert tan, deep blue, bold red, and possibly a muted earth tone finish are expected to appear as well. Some versions may also feature two-tone combinations, often with a darker roof, giving the SUV a more aggressive and premium appearance. These colors help the 4Runner stand out while still fitting its rugged personality. The engine qualities of the 2026 4Runner are expected to focus heavily on torque and efficiency. A turbocharged engine delivers power in a smoother and more responsive way, especially at low speeds where off-road driving demands control rather than speed. The power delivery should feel steady and predictable, making the vehicle easy to manage on rocky trails, steep climbs, or while towing. The engine sound is expected to be more refined than older models, reducing cabin noise during daily driving while still feeling strong and mechanical when pushed. Driving the 4Runner on the road should feel more comfortable than previous generations, without losing that solid SUV character. The suspension is expected to be tuned to handle bumps and rough pavement better, offering a smoother ride for everyday use. Steering may feel firm and slightly heavy, but that adds confidence and stability, especially at higher speeds. On highways, the vehicle should feel planted and secure, with less body movement and better overall control. That off-road is where the 4Runner truly shines. The body-on-frame construction gives it strength and durability that many modern SUVs lack. High ground clearance helps clear rocks and uneven terrain, while reinforced lower sections protect key components. The chassis feels strong and capable, designed to handle years of tough use. This SUV is expected to feel solid even when the road disappears and the trail begins. The body quality of the 2026 4Runner concept looks extremely robust. Panel fit appears tight, and the overall structure feels engineered for durability rather than lightness. Doors are expected to feel heavy and solid when opened and closed. This kind of build quality gives drivers confidence that the vehicle can handle harsh environments, extreme temperatures, and long-term ownership without feeling fragile. Tires play a huge role in defining the 4Runner's personality. The concept is expected to feature large all-terrain tires that offer excellent grip on dirt, gravel, sand, and snow. These tires are designed to handle rough surfaces while still providing reasonable comfort on paved roads. While road noise may be slightly higher than a typical city SUV, it's a fair trade-off for the level of traction and control they provide. Wheel designs are likely simple and strong, matching the rugged nature of the vehicle. Fuel efficiency is expected to improve compared to older generations. Thanks to modern engine technology, the new 4Runner should deliver better fuel averages without sacrificing capability. City fuel consumption may still be moderate due to its size and strength-focused design, but highway driving should be more efficient, especially at steady speeds. Overall fuel averages are expected to feel more balanced, making the SUV easier to live with on a daily basis while still being adventure-ready. Lighting on the 2026 4Runner concept looks modern and purposeful. The headlights are expected to use advanced LED technology, providing bright and wide illumination at night. This improves visibility on dark roads and off-road trails alike. The daytime running lights give the SUV a sharp and recognizable light signature. Rear lights are expected to be bold and clear, improving visibility for other drivers. Some trims may also offer additional off-road lighting options, which are useful for night driving in remote areas. Inside the cabin, the new 4Runner is expected to feel more modern while keeping its tough and practical nature. The dashboard design appears clean and horizontal, making the interior feel wide and open. Materials are likely chosen for durability, with soft-touch surfaces mixed with rugged textures that can handle dirt and wear. Seats are expected to be comfortable and supportive, suitable for long road trips, as well as bumpy off-road adventures. Technology inside the cabin is expected to take a noticeable step forward. A large central touchscreen will likely control navigation, music, and smartphone connectivity. The system should be simple and responsive, avoiding unnecessary complexity. Physical buttons and knobs are expected to remain for important controls, which is especially helpful when driving on rough terrain. A digital instrument display may also be available, providing clear and customizable driving information. Passenger space is one of the 4Runner's strengths. The upright body design allows for generous headroom and legroom in both the front and rear seats. The rear seating area should be comfortable for adults, and cargo space is expected to be large and practical. Folding rear seats will create a flat load floor, perfect for camping gear, tools, or outdoor equipment. Storage compartments throughout the cabin add convenience for daily use. Safety features are expected to be modern and comprehensive. Driver assistance systems such as automatic braking, lane support, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring should be available to make everyday driving safer. These systems are designed to assist the driver without taking away from the rugged driving experience that 4Runner fans love. Overall, the Toyota 4Runner concept hinting at the 2026 model year shows a clear direction forward. It blends traditional toughness with modern power, improved efficiency, updated technology, and a more refined driving experience. With a strong and capable engine, durable body quality, capable tires, improved fuel averages, modern lighting, and a practical interior, the next generation 4Runner looks ready to continue its legacy as a trusted, adventure-focused SUV for years to come.